had been written by the famous novelist Jane Austen. Jane Austen was born on 16 December 1775. She grew up in the city of England. When she used to go to school where she was studying, she got a disease typhus. So her parents tried to send her in the Stanford school that was far from their home to have a good healthy life, because if she had not possessed the good health, she would have never become the good novelist. Just to pursue her education, and her father, when they were child, their financial issues was not good. So their father, at the age of 12, they took them out of the school and taught themselves. Since she was growing up, she had started writing at the age of 12. She first wrote some of the dramas, some of the plays, but they were not running. So she started writing novels. She had not got so much fame in her lifetime, but when did she die? She got so much fame because the novels that published after her death contained so much that are read all over the world. She died on 1870.
Alright, now we have some characters from this novel, Pride and Prejudice. So the first character we have is Christian of Darcy. So in this novel, Christian of Darcy is seen as a humble and principled man at start, but slowly and gradually with the passage of time he becomes humble and principled towards the protagonist of this novel, Elizabeth Bennet. So the love of Elizabeth Bennet and the Darcy shows that how love can change people and the various circumstances as well as this. Also, this story explores the societal aspects, also explores, highlights the class distinction in 19th century rural life.
Moving towards another character that is Elizabeth Bennet. Elizabeth Bennet is the second earliest daughter of the Bennet family, and she represents the theme of love in this story. She is more intelligent as compared to her other sisters. She is well known for her beauty amongst her family. And Elizabeth Bennet at first misjudged Mr. Darcy. She thought that he is kind of proud person who's having take proud of himself. Whereas when she came to know that he is very humble person, and he also helped her in managing the status of her family because of some of the incidents they were about to lose the family status, and Mr. Darcy has them to recover that. And when he proposed her for the second time, she accepted the proposal and the there comes another character that is Anne Bennett. She is the youngest daughter of the Bennett family, and she fell in love with Mr. Bennett. At first, she was there in the sense that she was the type of person who feels romantic and who feels very interested in every kind of thing. She thinks that everything is very simple, but later on she decided that no, it's not that way. The way things seem are not actually the way they are. So when she came to know, she married herself and she understood the character development.
Last two major characters are Mr. Bingley and Mr. Collins. Let me tell you about Mr. Bingley. Mr. Bingley is the kind of a person, very honest person, very amiable and young honest person. For honesty, he is always used by his friend Mr. Darcy. Mr. Darcy, my friend, just mentioned. He highlights social class and the effect of wealth in this novel. And let me tell you about the Mr. Collins. Mr. Collins is the cousin of Bennet's family. He is a character of Bennet's Prejudice. You can say he is an antagonist because he has just one intention. He always likes to flirt with girls. He had also proposed the character Miss Elizabeth, but even though she was not interested in him.
So in this novel, integrity plays a very prominent role in this novel. It is about both the views and agencies how a friend in relationship very patient and very patient with others. So this theme integrity can be exemplified from the protagonist of this novel as Bennet, as she refuses to marry without her financial gain in this novel.
The last thing is reputation. Reputation is about how people are observed by the society. This has been happening since long and just to leave a good impression of ourselves on others, we often use great words, great by others. The same thing happened with Mr. Darcy. Mr. Darcy initially was a good person, but as he was judged as a wrong person, the one who was judged, Elizabeth, she came to know that he is not actually the person that I was judged. So it's better to look forward to understand someone truly.
So we have effects on real life. The first effect we have is personal growth. Pride and Prejudice underscores the importance of personal growth, promoting readers to self-improvement, self-discovery, and self-awareness. Also, it also inspires self-reflection and self-discovery of individuals' perspective regarding the societal dynamics and aspects.
Impact on real life. Novel's character dynamics that see between Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy. Also, that each readers develop empathy in themselves so that they can have a better life in society. So that you guys can have a communication skills. You guys can share ideas, share knowledge. It's about having a happy life.
The last effect of life is relationship perspective. Since the novel it had been published, it changed the perspective of people regarding relationship, societal expectation, and it has also contributed in stopping the old tradition regarding love, class, and social community, societal expectation.
So we have some differences from the text. The first difference we have pride of. So this novel also explores, highlights the societal aspects and the love and is the context of society, how love can change people, and also this highlights both novels delve into the societal aspects and the love can change people and various circumstances.
Another reference from the book we got from Helen Fielding. This novel, whose name is Bill Jones' Diary. Bill Jones' Diary's author Helen Fielding related his novel to the Pride and Prejudice regarding romance.
Moving toward the plot, what happened in the last episode? So finally got Jane and Becky also got married and they were living very happily.
Now, we would like to continue our presentation with this line. Life is a story we author.
Life is a journey, then be the driver.
Life is adventure, read explorers. We thank you all.